Hey, Zayra! This us at Castles and Customers, aka CnC. See all these beautiful people? Look at this kid. He's not giving me dirty looks and stuff. OMG, Darren, you're the one I went to this video. Go see this, go see that. Get it, sexy. Get it. Oh, look at them. Get it. OMG, don't you think her hair is beautiful on the little girl? Her hair is beautiful. I love it. It's sexy. Hey, you guys, I'm so sick, bro. But, like, I put it together to be here with my team. Yeah. The magic carpet was amazing. LOL. Hey, I don't know if you guys can see, but the pole is, like, all the way up there with those two people just passed, you know? She's sitting there with her hat and her crutches and stuff. Freaking. She can't do anything because she's earning her fitness. That's what that. Oh, right there. I'm not gonna show my face because I look like butt, so. Your face is sexy. No. Get it. Hey, so like this kid passed by, and like I was like, hey, you have beautiful eyes. And then he was like, thank you. They were beautiful. They were truly beautiful. If he comes by again, I'll show you guys. That's how baby doll. That's her last. Sexy. Turn over. I was close, bro. What is it? I'm freaking close. Hey, look at this sexy CnC. What you gonna do over there? Do it. Hell, do it. I'm good. Hey, you guys, you don't find Prada and let's go. There are these beautiful people. Oh, this is the kid with the sexy eyes. Oh, yeah. I took her to see guys. They probably got off that. Shout out to the volleyball girls. Hey guys, volleyball? Knock this up! Shout out to you guys. I was guessing, okay? Okay. Look at her feet. Those are some random actions. How much is this video gonna be? Shout out to everybody. Love you. You are beautiful. You see this man with his hair all out? that's not even good, bro. Like, I would kill somebody if they went off, like, if I knew some, oh, look at them, look at them, look at it. Look at these niggas. Old and still in love.
That's gross. They're just all making out. Did you see those people was making out? Hey, you guys want to be my friend real quick? Okay. Hey. Let me get it straight. Okay. Whoa! It should have been some tongue action right there. That would have been a little more sexier. Hey, you know what would have been funny? If it was like recording I thought I was recording the whole time and it wasn't. But, yeah, it is. Hey, let's go to Nicole. Hey, Nicole. Hey. 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 Is it boring over here? Oh. Oh, look, over there. Oh. They look how boring. Oh. CCYL. How awkward. She didn't even know we were recording. LOL. You should have told her to shout out to you guys. Hey, it can't be that long because it might be too long to upload. Oh, wait, no. It just has to be under 20 minutes. It has to 48 right now. Where's my girls at? Where my girls at? Where my girls at? They say it's better over here. Yeah, they say. I feel like I'm a photographer or some stuff. You know? Who is it? Okay, you guys, so there might be a part 2. Oh my god. We might come back with that part 2 because we're on a search hunt thingy for Ruby, Levy, what's the other people? Oh yeah.